So hello, I hope you can hear me. So we have here first question and we must find perimeter. So how we will solve this problem. So I will rewrite it for me. We have a rectangular which is the side is 8 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter and 4 meter. And how we will find perimeter. Perimeter we can find very easy. So look, this is our rectangular, and as you can see, this is 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. So how you will calculate it? 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. So the perimeter it will be 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24 meter. So perimeter it will be 24 meter. Okay, so again, if you want to calculate perimeter, you will take each side together and you will add them. So 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. Okay, so as you have here, you will take 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. Now we have here triangle. What you will do with this triangle? Again, you will choose 12 plus 20 plus 16, okay? It's very easy. Now we have here another square. As you can see, the square, it has each 4 sides, they are the same. So you will take 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, and we have here something more complicated. And how we will calculate perimeter? Again, 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. So it means 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5. And it will be 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 6 20 plus 5 is 25 meter. Here we have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. It will be 28 meter. Here we have 12 centimeter plus 16 centimeter plus 20. So we will calculate it as 20 plus 16 plus 12. So it will be 8. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, 48 meter. And here, as we had 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4, and it will be 24 meter perimeter. So again, how we will calculate perimeter of rectangular? So again, we will choose all sides and we will calculate it together. 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4, okay? I hope it's easy for you and you can calculate it for our test. So we can write it again so you will know for your test. Okay? Write for your rectangle and we will write perimeter. There is length plus width plus length plus width. What it means, okay? Here we have in our book rectangle and this symbol. So it means perimeter, L, length, width, length, width. How we will do this? Perimeter, length plus width plus length plus width. Or you can write perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times width. Okay? So again, how it is our problem here, for example. How you will find perimeter if you have the length of rectangle 8, and width is 4 and 4. So what you will do? You will take all together 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. Okay, again the same. And it's 24 meters. If we want to calculate, for example, we have here practice and problem solving. Use formula to find the perimeter. We have here, for example, 12 meters, 9 meters, 12 and 9. How you will calculate the perimeter? I will take 12 plus 9 plus 12 plus 9, okay? Here, the next, we have 11, 11. Here we don't have anything, but we know that square is this one and this one and this one and this one. They are the same, so it will be 11, 11. And the perimeter, it will be 44 meters, okay? Very good. After we have this one, 2, 5. What it will be here? Again 5, and here it will be 2 meters. So together perimeter, it will be 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14 meters, 14 meters, okay? And here we have 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and together it will be 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, and it will be 52 centimeters, okay? So if you have any questions, so please write me in chat, okay? Okay, good. Now we have something like this. The perimeter of a triangle is 24 meters. The length of one side is 10 meters and of the other side is 6 meters. What is the length of the third side? So again, we have a triangle and the perimeter is 24 meters. Okay, so we see that this is a triangle, and this triangle, it has 3 sides. One, first, second, and third. So it's, for example, A, B, and C. We know that perimeter is like A plus B plus C. What it means? It means that this one plus this one plus this one, it must be 24. A plus B plus C, it must be 24. What we have in our problem, the length of one side is 10 meters. Okay, we will write 10 meters. And of the other side is 6 meters. The third side we don't know. So as you can see, we have 10 meters plus 6 meters plus something is 24 meters. Okay, it means 10 plus 6 is 16 meters plus C is 24 meters. It means how much it will be, how many it will be C? It will be 24 minus 16. So C is 24 minus 16 is 8. Okay, so we had triangle which has 10 meters, 6 meters, and 8 meters. Okay, so it means 10 plus 6 plus 8, it will be how many? 24. So perimeter is 24 meters. So, and our task, it was, what is the length of the third side? The length of the third side, it will be 8 meters. Okay, 8 meters. Very good. The next, the perimeter of a rectangle is 26 meters. The length is 8. What is the width? Good. What it will be? We have a rectangular. I will make like this. And the perimeter is 26 centimeters. The length is 8 centimeters. And what is the width? I don't know. So what it means, as you see, 8 centimeters, it means this one, it must be 8 centimeters again. And this one, it will be the same as here. Okay, so how it will be? Perimeter is 8 plus 8 plus width plus width. Okay, So I know that perimeter is 26. It means 26. It will be 8 plus 8, 16 plus 2 times width. This 2 times width I can write as 26 minus 16. 26 minus 16, it means it's 10 divided by 2. And the is 5. Okay, so it means this side, it will be 5 and 5 meter. So let's do this. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 5 is 26. Okay, so what is the width? Your answer, it will be 5 meter. 5 meter. Okay, and I've solved it in this way. Good. Okay, so if you have any question, please better write me. And as you can see, here we have find the perimeter of this figure. And we have this one figure. This is like 6, 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, and 3 meter. So we will calculate it all together, and you see that you will add all together, and the perimeter is 24 meter. Okay, good. So please remember that we will calculate each side of rectangular or square, and it will be good. Okay, so any question, please, you can write me on chat. Okay, so we will continue with the next page, and we have here area. So where I will start, for example, here we must find the area. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square, and here we have 3 square. So which area of this surface it will be? It will be area 5 times 3, and 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, it will be 15 squares. Okay, the next we have here something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So mean area, it will be 6 times 4, 24. And if I will write, for example, it's centimeter, so it will be centimeter square. Good. So remember, we are calculating area of this. And the next we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example, centimeter. And here is 1, 2 centimeter. Here I see 2, and here I see 2. So how I will do? I will calculate at first this one. So 8 times 2 is 16, plus this one. 2 times 2 is 4. So the whole area, it will be 20 centimeters, like this. Okay, so at first divide this one, and after plus this one. Good. We have the next. Find the area. Okay, you will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8, for example, and 2. How it will be our area? 8 times 2, and it will be 16 centimeters square. Another, we have here, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square, for example, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square. So centimeters. So how it will be area? 5 times 5 is 25 square centimeter. Okay. And this one is a little bit complicated, but we will divide it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5. There are 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at first area, it will be 5 times 2 is 10, plus this is 10, this one is 10, and this one is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 is 8, so the area is 28 square centimeters. Okay, good. And last, what we will do is find the area of shaded part. Okay, so what you will do, you will try to calculate this one, what is inside, okay? Here and here and here. Please do it alone. And we have very important is you will know how many, for example, 1 liter, and please remember 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. Okay, this is very important for this activity. And here there are questions and we must choose the best. So for example, this is glass of something and you must choose if it's, for example, 25 milliliter or 250 milliliter or 25 milliliter. So be careful. Glass, it can be 250 milliliter. Okay, next we have, this is bottle, and we can say that this bottle, it can have 2 liter. Okay, so be careful. We have here something like this, and what you will say, how many water you can put there. 5 liter, I will say it's okay. Next we have a coffee, I think it's coffee, and how many? 5 liter, not 50 milliliter. Yes, it can be espresso or something like this. And now we have to change to milliliters. 3 liter, 3000 milliliter, okay. 5 liter, 5000 milliliter. 10 liter, 10,000 milliliter. And 42 liter, 42,000 milliliter. And 17 liter, 17,000 milliliter. Good. So